This is so old. Histories and legacy. Alright, so we got off the cruise. We are at the hotel now. This is the hotel tour.
Where's the bathroom?
So we have a sink here and microwave and everything.
This looks scary. I don't like it.
Scary? This is history, not scary.
The other hotel.
So we got one bed here. We got a scary lady there. We got another room here. We got a restroom here.
Great view. Look at this amazing view.
Oh!
He was not paying attention.
Amazing views.
I figured you want the football.
That's good. Okay, 30 pieces it is.
Oh, this one has to be beef. This looks like that.
I think this one's lamb. I think, actually, not sure.
Is this beef or lamb?
Red. We have gongcha here, some tea places. Joyce.
Oh, that's that.
Yeah, but they had it ready.
Alright, let's go.
B9?
B9? Well, we're all sharing, but yeah.
B8?
I got the rose petal and you got the... You got B8.
So this is the rose petal.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Rose petal?
Got nothing. Rose petal and cool stuff, cool stuff, cool stuff.
What is in
Rose
here?
Oh my goodness.
Can I tease this again?
You got Russian.
Washi.
No. Russian.
Washi.
Russian.
Oh shit. Thank you. Nice. Thank you. Thank you to our waitress right here.
Right?
And our third and final one. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Tea time with the boys and girl. Cheers. That's wrong angle for me.
Oh no.
That's perfect angle for her. Wait, now most of the stuff is going to be gone when you open it.
Oh no, it's not that liquid.
Yep.
They're probably used to it.
Thank you, sir. Bibble.
That's so cool. That's so cool. That's actually good. Did you try something last time? Just want to share.
That looks delicious.
Moment of truth. Do you know which is which?
This one's green tea, that one's Earl Grey.
My name is Luis, and I'll be your purser on today's flight. Anything I can do to assist you, please don't hesitate to let me know. So it's been a great pleasure to be working with